Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous lesson. If you're here for the first time, we recommend watching the last video about the complicated relationship between the U.S. and the Middle East. Now, let's test what you've learned. Does the U.S. have a simple relationship with the Middle East? No, it has a very complicated relationship based on many different factors. Is oil one of the reasons the U.S. is involved in the Middle East? Yes, oil is a major reason for economic interest in the region. Has the U.S. always been in conflict with Saudi Arabia? No, Saudi Arabia has been a strong U.S. ally for decades. Is Israel considered a rival of the U.S.? No, Israel is one of America's closest allies. Did the U.S. increase its presence in the Middle East after 9/11? Yes, the U.S. launched military campaigns in the region after the attacks. Is Iran a country with which the U.S. has friendly relations? No, relations with Iran have been tense for many years. Is religion completely separate from politics in the Middle East? No, religion plays a very important role in regional and global politics. Does everyone in the Middle East view the U.S. as a helper? No, some see the U.S. as interfering too much in the region. Are the Middle East and the U.S. connected only through conflict? No, they are also connected through trade, diplomacy, and cultural ties. Is the U.S. no longer involved in the Middle East today? No, the U.S. still maintains a strong presence and interest in the region. Fantastic job! Watch this video again as many times as you need. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next lessons on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.